connection with Habitat for Humanity yon. At saka paano tayo nakabuo ng ganitong concept?
I think I can best explain it, no? Kasi TV8 Media, the producer of iHeartPH, has worked with Habitat for Humanity for a different show previously. And then, napakaganda ng collaboration nila. It was very productive. And at the same time, it inspired a lot of Filipinos. And that's why it also inspired the producers of TV8 Media to make this an advocacy. To really inspire Filipinos na kasi mga Pinoy mahilig mag-DIY sa bahay, ganyan, di ba? Pero syempre, gusto natin sabihin sa kanila na, alam niya, it's better minsan to hire an architect kasi mas makakatipid ka in the long run kaysa nagtitipid ka in the short term pero magkakaroon ng mga sira sa bahay or most importantly, hindi pa safe. So that is why it is the show's advocacy to really educate and inform the Filipinos. Para lahat tayo, di ba? Meron tayong dream home. Dahil pangarap naman natin lahat yan, di ba?
Okay.
Anong pakiramdam mo na it lasted this long and it will continue pa?
Parang medyo kinalabutan ako, to be honest. Kasi parang it's such a blessing, you know, especially in these modern times. Ang bilis and very fast-paced eh. Yung content ngayon, irrelevant na after 3 days, after 4 days. But, you know, what we can be proud of is that we know that we are churning out good quality content, something that's entertaining, informative, and hopefully timeless. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy pa ang iHeartPH with all of your support.
Okay. Can you tell us naman a little bit about yourself?
I'm 5'2" na kalahati, no? Zodiac sign ako. I've been hosting for many years now, 17 years now. So TV and events. I regularly host mga corporate events. I'm also a Chinoy. I'm a Filipino-Chinese. So I can speak conversational Mandarin, Hokkien. I also host mga Mandarin and Hokkien events, English events. And then what I love about yung iHeartPH is really connecting with people. More than going to places because it's so amazing, diba? Seeing new places, talaga makaka-travel ka for free, eating good food, but more than that, it's really the connection. When I talk to people, I hear their stories, parang, nagkakaroon kami agad ng parang magnet. So, yun yung pinaka-best part about being a host is really to connect with other people. Alam ko baka mahaba-habang story ito I'll share lang. Kasi actually, dream ko talaga to be host since I was a kid. Bata pa lang ako, 5 years old, I would join declamation contest in school. And unfortunately, I would win every year. So yun talaga yung pangarap ko. So that's why I pursued hosting with May Trabaho Ka na yung reality show looking for host. Talagang lahat nito, it was all I believe my grit, my perseverance, my hard work, and my good relationships with my colleagues. That's why continuous pa rin yung trabaho. And to me, ang daming perks of being a host but overall, the joy is in the act itself. I love being on stage. I love speaking. I love connecting with the audience. Kahit malayo kayo sa akin, I feel like I can somehow connect to you. So yun, I love my job.
Last na lang, sino yung ay mga idol mo or mga pinahangaan mo in terms of hosting?
One of them, no joke, si Robelson, promise. An international host who's super good with ad-libs, as in very funny, smart, witty. This is not a joke talaga. I super duper admire you. And you know what? Aside from being a good host on cam, off cam is so humble. And so warm and so kind. So yun yung mga idol ko na hindi lang magaling. Kailangan may puso din.
So aside from Robinson?
Aside from Robinson, mga local, let me think, Pinky Webb. Pinky Webb, also the host of Business Matters. Very professional.
Una kay Val, sabi nga kanina ni Romel, lookalike mo si Tony Gonzaga. So, it's not the first time na narinig mong lookalike mo si Tony.
Parang 995 na po kayong tao.
So, how do you feel kapag may mga nagsasabi na magkamukha kayo ni Tony?
Okay naman po, I say thank you. I mean, she's a good host pala. I didn't mention pala a while ago, she's such an amazing host. So, to me, it's a compliment that naalala na si Tony when they see me.
Pero hindi ka ba nape-pressure na to build your own name in the industry? Parang ang hirap kung may kamukha ka, di ba?
That is really, really true. Pero I believe naman that if meron ka talagang unique talent that you can showcase to the world, then slowly but surely, the people will recognize you for who you are.
So do you think it's an advantage or a disadvantage?
I wouldn't say it's either. I feel like it's just there. Pero para sa akin, I would like to strive harder to make a name for myself as a host.
Na-meet mo na siya?
Not yet.
Okay. Pero willing ka kung sakali na invite ka ni Tony na mag-guest dun sa kanyang vlog?
Oh, pwede. Baka sabihin niya, tumitingin ako sa salamin, di ba? Yeah, pero yeah, of course, I would love to meet her.